Interesting. I must correct myself there. I am very interesting. Je suis une personne très intéressante. Je parle français comme une touriste qui ne parle français. Today's episode. How do you do, Winter Bubbers? And welcome. So today I am. I got three things planned. Sorting through some paperwork. Moving my microwave oven. That's going to be such a bitch. And then I'm going to go out. Oh, I got a fisherman's friend in my... Because yesterday my friend Martin told me that they opened a new second-hand store in the mall not far away. So I'm going to go there because I'm all about instant gratification. And I'm not only going there to check out the second-hand store because I do need to buy groceries as well. I have no fruits of any kind. People, let's go out into the sun. So I'm in one second-hand store and I'm just crossing going over to this one. Oh, it just opened. Much more interesting. So I bought nothing at that store and now I'm at the... I bought nothing at that second-hand store and now I'm in the shop buying fruits and veggies. Back home and it's time for lunch. I bought some... What did I buy? I bought oranges and these sort of, what do we call them? Padron. You sort of fry them and salt them and they're fantastic. And these shots with ginger. And rice, because I've been going through rice like crazy. And bread. So I don't know why I'm telling you this. This is not really interesting, is it? Well, everything I do is interesting. I must correct myself there. I am very interesting. Je suis une personne très intéressante. Je parle français comme une touriste qui ne parle français at all. Instead goes into English when he don't know the words. People, this is happening. I'm going to move this fridge just so I can get to the electrical socket behind that so I can sort of put the the cord from the microwave there, or I might do some longer cord, I don't know. But it was hell trying to move it because it's sort of settled in the linoleum. So, but now it's moved. So I'm just going to empty these shelves. Oh, this looks so good. But I bet you're curious to what I am going to have for lunch. Well, it's going to be the last of this divine pasta. So now I'm outside the house waiting for my friend Martin because we are going to go for a bike ride. I need to buy something that I don't know the English word for that. When you connect two cables, I'm going to show you when I find it. So the weather outside is fantastic. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's kind of warm, a little bit windy. I'm waiting for Martin and I think that's him. It took him quite a while to get here. Oh, and fuck, he brought my pump. So, hey! You are not going to buy anything at Rusta?
Maybe we will see.
Yes?
Some little light or something, or some LED lights you can have on the balcony.
Yeah? Fantastical.
Some trashy ones.
Testicle. I think I have the answer for your problem.
Okay, what kind of problem? Oh.
See what that is?
Yeah, you can have it if you are single.
Yeah, it's a body pillow. So,
maybe how many have done this today?
Yes.
Corona.
Yes.
I did.
And no gloves on. God.
I'm an amateur.
Definitely. This was what I came for. I needed one of those with shorts. This is, and he's going to buy it. This is a fire simulator.
this one is this one, or
Are you tempted?
yeah, maybe.
This is one of those sun cells. Sun cells? What is it?
The sun cells.
The light, but exactly what that thing is lighting up as well. Or what is?
No, but that is charging during the day.
Yeah.
But what is som lyser?
Yeah, that's what I said. What's it? Where's the fire?
Maybe he's doing like this. Hello.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe I bought this one, 39 kronor.
Yeah, I think this is fantastic, and I would like to declare that I consider this a work of art.
No.
This is a work of art, people. These are fantastic. These are cats with glasses that light up in the night. Now we are going to a place that Martin recommended, something miniature and something to do with railways or something.
Yeah, they're like a railway shop with small.
It's a railway shop.
Yeah, for small miniature railway.
Sounds like something out of Cats. Railway shops. So I had no idea that there were this miniature railway.
Here you can buy some things, if you want to make this landscape. You see here.
Fantastic. I didn't know that this existed. These things make me feel enormous. The man in his element. So look at these.
Ja, jag tror det, va? Men har vi några penslar och grejer?
Lösa penslar står på disken där.
Okay, so look at all these things, people. Look, these are sunbathers.
Det är vad Sverige har blivit ineffektivt. Det är bra med corona.
Ja, särskilt bra.
Har du fått mycket mer att göra här?
So they got even people in saunas. Nude people in saunas.
Det här har jag aldrig varit med om.
And this is people having sex. This is so much more fantastic than I thought it would be. These are swimmers, pigs. I mean, you got everything you can think about. There's a shepherd. Do you want to show us the fantastic thing in the bathroom?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
It's a little bit, what you say, not proof for the children, but yeah.
Yes. So it's the Hulk, and he's peeing, and all the other superheroes are checking him out. I just said goodbye to Martin, and then I realized I might have bought the wrong thing for the electrical cord. I might have needed some other thing. I don't know. I'm going to check out. People, I bought one of these, and what I really needed was one of these that goes right into the socket, and then you got two like that, because I want to hide everything behind the refrigerator. Yes. So, people, let's do this. People, it's done. Fits perfectly. I'm not sure if I can have that. Well, there are air vents, so ta-da! And what am I going to have here? I don't know. These aren't going to stay there. Isn't it weird that it took me about 2 years to move it from there to there? But it was because I couldn't find this solution that I sort of wasn't that hard to dream up. So, people, I'm lying on my sofa waiting for half an hour. In half an hour, I and my friend Magnus are going to go. We're going to do around the block at 5 o'clock. And I just realized that I forgot to buy tahini today. That was one of the things I was going to buy. Didn't do that. This is weird lighting, isn't it? Dum 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 dum. Well, I'm outside the building. I and Magnus are going to do around the block at 5 o'clock. So I'm just waiting for the clock to turn 5, and then we're going to start walking. And today we are going to start just walking briskly, not waiting for each other, and just to see who has the longer block. Fascinating. So we just did around the block at 5 o'clock, and I was the faster walker. So now I'm going to go home and just rest, because I've been sort of out walking really fast. So people, I am thinking about starting to make sourdough. I've done this before. I can't remember why I stopped, but these things happen. So tomorrow I may start sourdough. I may start making a sourdough starter, because that's what you do. You make your own yeast. That's the base of it. I'm drinking. This is a very mild gin and tonic, and Magnus just uploaded a new video onto to YouTube.
Yeah, it's called How to Get Drunk Under the Coronavirus Epidemic.
Tell the viewers what we're doing.
We're trying to find ICA's tonic water.
We're trying to find
if you can buy it in the ICA, in which shop of ICA.
Yeah, we're trying to find the store that got the cheapest tonic water brand. So we can't find any. I was looking at Lidl, and then I ended up in Germany, so I couldn't understand anything of the pricing. Så prata in här nu, och som att det här är en tv-studio, liksom rakt in här. På engelska. So Magnus, over to you. Magnus, you found some useful information about the tonic water.
Yes, we are looking at this tonic water, the ICA tonic water, their own brand. And I found it when I logged into my site at the ICA, and I can get a home delivery. So what you can do is to log into your site at ICA and get a home delivery, and then you find ICA's tonic water. And I also have a price for you. For 1.5 liter, it costs 16.90 Swedish crowns. That's about maybe a little bit more than £1.
Do you have any other are there any other brands you can sort of compare to?
There's actually a lot of different.
What?
It's actually Schweppes is a little cheap. No, okay, sorry. Yes, it is a little cheaper. You can get 2 for 30 crowns.
But how much are those? The big bottles or the small bottles?
That's the big bottle as well.
Oh.
And you also have a tonic water fever tree. And that's 2 liters for 16.50. Oh my god.
What? Oh.
Yeah, I've never seen that kind
Okay,
of.
you need to share the
Yeah. Screen.
Yes, screen. The word I was looking for was screen. Yes, people, screen. Wait.
Do you see my point? No.
Yes. Wait, so here we go. So this is what's the brand? Oh, that's ICA's own brand. It's 16.90, and then you got this tonic water. What madness! So they are cheaper. Oh, maybe people are drinking more now. Where's that? The one you said?
Oh, but I saw the wrong. It's up in the left corner, but it's only for 2 deciliters. It says 200 milliliters, and I thought, it's 2 liters, but it's not.
Oh.
So it is not cheaper. It is more expensive.
So the cheapest one we can find was the Schweppes brand, which is really sort of mad. This must be on sale or something.
No, but
yes. Need you to say over and out and good night, and to all a good night.
Over and out, and to all a good night.
Haven't even finished my gin and tonic.